actually feels so good driving. One of you said drone shot, so okay. Oh my gosh, she's so gorgeous.
The first day is amazing. Okay. See?
They're so mad at me. So sorry, guys. I'm still learning. It's my day one in the job. Good morning, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. So today I am back here finally in the countryside. I was just in the city for like 2 days, I think. So yeah, I am back here, and I think I have mentioned it to you guys that I got some stuff from the city. I'm gonna give you guys a quick haul of what are the things that I got because I am super excited. At the same time, I'm so grateful to 2 of my subscribers. I actually forgot the name of the other one, but I want to give a shout out to Robert. Thank you so much for giving me some help to buy a 2-burner stove. So yeah, Robert, thank you so much. You're amazing. And the other one, I'm sorry, I totally forgot his name, but he sent me something as well to buy a toaster because if you guys have watched my previous videos, I just really like toast my bread in the pan. And yeah, one of you was so thoughtful to send me some to buy a toaster, and I am so happy. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. Actually, the burner that I got is so chic, it's so sleek, and I just love it. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you right now. Okay guys, so it started to rain, but I think you guys cannot really hear it that much. Anyway, I'm just gonna grab a scissors so that I can show this one to you guys. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this little guy over here. So I went to Metro yesterday together with my sister, and then I finally got a 2-burner stove. Wait, I'm just gonna it's actually stopped the rain. By the way, Razzle is here. She's there later. Let me show this first. Okay, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Like, to be honest, it's not just your typical normal one. It's so chic. Oh my goodness, you guys cannot see it, but wow. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. Okay, let me show it to you. I'm gonna try to put the camera here. Hold on. There you go, guys. That's my burner. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Oh wow. Okay, did I just ruin it? Oh my gosh, guys, look. The color is white. You guys know I love white, and to be honest, it was love at first sight when I saw this. Though this was significantly expensive than I expected it to be, but I totally love it. She is so gorgeous. Look. Okay, so the make is La Germania. I think they have a pretty reputable company when it comes to like burner and stuff. So yeah, that's how she's looking. She's so gorgeous. I love the design. It's so chic. Let's move on. That one was such a good purchase. It was love at first sight. The moment I saw it on Metro, and I was like, how much is this, kuya? And he was like, $100, ma'am. And I was like, oh, okay. It's so nice, and yeah, I got it. I know it's quite expensive for a burner for me, actually, but I think it's gonna last me for how many years, so it's good to invest something like this. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, I got here a toaster. So this is how it's looking. It's American Heritage. Let's try to open it. We tried it there already. Well, of course, we have to try it first before we buy it. And this one's color black, I think. So finally, oh my gosh, I don't need to heat the pan, so I can toast my bread. So I'll just pretty much like put the bread here, and then I have a toasted bread. Wow, nice. I love the color as well. It's chic, it's black, so that's pretty awesome. I'm quite happy. Again, thank you so much to 2 of you guys who sent for this. I am very grateful. And then next we have here a shower. Okay, well, in the last video in the house tour, right, a lot of you guys were asking me why did I not show you guys like the bathroom and stuff, and that's honestly because the bathroom is not totally finished. That's why I did not really show it that much. But I got here a shower. So we are going to install it, I think, in the next few days. Tomorrow is my mom's birthday, so we will be very busy, and of course I'm going to share a video for you guys as well. Yeah, but tomorrow we are going to have a tropical depression. We have a storm coming, so I just really hope that it won't hit Cebu that much, because it's gonna be a disaster. But right now we are even experiencing really strong winds. Like, I woke up this morning with a really strong wind. Yeah, that's not good. Anyway, so yeah, this shower is from Shark. It's actually very nice. I love it. And this was 1,149 peso. That's quite pricey, but yeah, it's good quality. So yeah, that's why I got it. It is a set already. It's got a faucet here, so it's two-way faucet. It's got one here where I can connect the shower, and then the other one will be for like the bucket and whatnot. So yeah, yeah, we're good. All right guys, so finally here it is. I get it out of the box, and look, she's so pretty. I am so happy for this. I'm extremely happy. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and try to put it here. So actually it's the same make from this one burner that I have. This is very heavy. Oh my gosh, I'm literally shaking. Okay, I'm gonna try to put here. Oh my god, this is like 5 kilos. Okay, oh my gosh, she's so gorgeous. Look at this. Aww, thank you guys so much. I am so happy. Look at this. Like, try to compare this to that. Which one would you choose? Which one would you like to cook with? This or that?
The one.
Oh, thank you guys. Okay, that's enough. This is another day. Actually, I'm just gonna insert this clip because we are in this beautiful mountain. We are in Sudlon right now, and this is absolutely my first time here. This is only about, I don't know, maybe about 1.5 hour drive from the city of Cebu. And then here with me is my sister. She's holding my phone. Actually, I'm just using my phone right now. That's why you can see that it is not the same as my camera. We drove up here because we have really beautiful view. Got my drone as well, so we're gonna fly it now, but actually I'm so freezing. So I asked you guys in my community page if what videos would you like me to shoot, and one of you said drone shots. So here it is. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Today is Monday, and as you guys can see, we are here in the car. This is Jonathan.
Hi, good morning.
So this is my day 1 of driving lesson. I enrolled with AA driving. I am super nervous, to be honest. I'm quite excited as well. Earlier we just learned like the, yes, what is it, sir?
Basic automatic transmission.
So yeah, here we go. Please bear with me guys. This is exactly my first time to try to drive a car. Now we had to step out of the car because it's my turn to go into the driver's seat. We have here a caution that says student drivers, so that the other drivers will be so patient enough. So again, this is from AA driving school. That's their phone numbers right there if you guys want to check them out. We're gonna be switching to the GoPro so you guys can see a wide angle of the shot and everything. Hey guys, so we're doing this. I'm so nervous. Okay.
That's our first day. Okay, go. Release the brake and then check the right side before ka go in. Look the right mirror. Once naka-enter na ka sa dalan, i-left. I-left na sa Manila. Okay, now, once mo straight na ka sa imong dalan, straight to the right. Okay, good. Straight lang tayo, straight. Sige ko. Follow sa atong kanang blow na kan, blow na sa kanan. The first day, going ta Puente Osmeña.
Oh my God.
Now, signal ka sa right.
Okay. Okay, unsa man ni?
Ilip gamay. Ilip gamay. Na chika sa left, happy ka mo turn right. Okay, clear ang left. Ilapas gamay sa poste. Full right. Full. Okay, good. Nice one. Now, gi full right nimo, pag straight to turns left. 1, 2. Okay, perfect. Gasi gamay. Nice one.
Oh my god.
So nervous.
I'm
But it's
so
okay, no?
nervous.
Turn right ta.
Okay. 30 meters, right?
Yes, 30 meters. Ang side mirror ilapas sa poste. Full right. Yes, full. Okay. Pag straight ang imong sakinan, balik to turns. 1, 2. Good. Gasi. Then signal ka sa left. Okay. Meaning mo left other. Okay, clear. Diretso. Then okay, clear. Natagi gas gamay. And then turn left. Okay, turn ha. Tanaw ka sa right ha. Okay, clear ang right. Right. Sa kilid ta sa island. Left ha. Like that lang. It's just a normal na sa made in Philippines.
Okay. Oh my god, actually feels so good driving.
Okay, left gamay mo na bila. Sige, straight lang ta. Kanilang right na dalan. Kaya di ta pwede sa left. Kaya natin you have a cushion man in the back.
Okay, dire ta.
Dire ta. But straight lang ta, going puente ha.
Oh
Nata na multitasking.
Yeah, you have to like look. Especially in the Philippines, there's like a lot of people crossing the road or like
balik straight.
pulling over.
Good, nice.
I cannot believe I'm driving.
Straight na saan. See?
They're so mad at me. So sorry, guys. I'm still learning. It's my day 1 in the job.
No?
Like no traffic.
No traffic. Yeah, di, sa Cebu mo ko di mong good. Gamay kang no traffic.
But you have your control, right?
Yes, yes. I have a
control. Is that the brake?
Yes, that's a brake. All driving school, there's a excess brake. That's a excess. But now, I think na kung nabasa na ako sa imong self, that's a fast learner. Yes. Oh,
really?
Yes. So,
thank you.
Guys, tanawa si Mamil, oh. She's good,
Where are
no?
we now?
In Mabulo.
Mabulo, okay.
Mabulo.
We're going to Ayala or?
Ano, going to Carita, then stop left, turn right, going to Mango, and then end ang Puente Rotunda.
Okay, go.
So, she's good. She's fast learner.
Thank you.
The first day is amazing. Okay.
Thank
amazing,
you.
Amazing. Fast learner. Left na mo, and then straight. Okay. Left na sa mo, straight.
Oh, fudge you, the motorbike.
Yes.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's a Philippines. Normal. There's a mango part. Mango vineyard.
We're approaching Fuente. Actually, Fuente is like very confusing.
Yes, there's a rotunda.
Rotunda.
That's a rotunda.
So what's the rule?
The
Who
rule
comes
there
there
is,
first?
First come first, but
the reviews are good. That's why I chose AA. I researched a lot of driving school here in Cebu.
then
And like when I saw AA, I like read all of the reviews like from your students before. So
na-ready mo si Jonathan there.
yes, and some of them are saying they're so patient. So I need someone that is so patient with me because this is my first time, Janelle.
Yes.
And yeah, I was like, okay, I should call AA.
Release ang gas nimo. Pero ayon sa pag-brake ha, not all the time na mo release ka sa gas mo brake din ka. Ang brake is situational. Meaning once mo release ka sa gas mo adjust yung dagan even wakig brake. Ano na straight imong dalan no. Yes. Release ang gas.
So we are done with our first session today. Thank you so much, Sir Jonathan, for being a very good instructor. He has a lot of patience with me. And I am so happy he is my instructor. He has a lot of tips and tricks. And I am looking forward to the next session that we will be having, which is going to be by tomorrow. So yeah, that's the end of day 1.